Hey you guys, so there was a lot of debate about the next president, whether it would be Joe Biden or Trump, okay? And now that Joe Biden is in office, which he's been in office for a couple months now, a lot of people still believe, in Trump and everything, right? So I was thinking to myself, the only way we can make both sides come together is to create Donald Biden. So we're gonna create Donald Biden today because it is the only way to make both sides happy. Actually, no, it'll make both sides so disturbed that they won't even want to talk about it anymore. I think it's a really interesting idea, and I'm not a very political person, but I might as well have a little bit of fun with this, I guess. This idea came up while I was actually putting on my pants, my shirt. And yeah, we're gonna get started here. The photo of Donald Trump and Biden. And we're gonna place these guys here. Okay, so wow, you were close. Okay, so let's zoom this out a little bit. Okay, we'll set that right there. And let's go grab Trump. So I'm not too sure how we want to do this. I think that what we'll do, because he's got a, I wouldn't say a symmetrical face, but his face in this specific image is, it's more straighter than Joe Biden's. Joe Biden's got that tilt going. He's got that, like, he's got that smile that's, yeah, he's got a smile. So I'm going to try to line up Joe Biden's features with Trump. So we're going to have to tilt a little bit. Wow, we had to tilt that pretty fucking bad. Alright, so we had to tilt it a little bit, quite a bit actually. And oh wow, we're actually getting there. They're going to look like the same people, you guys, don't even worry. Yeah. Oh, that's a little disturbing, but that's alright. That's what we want. Joe Biden's ears are a little bit bigger than Trump's, so we'll probably do that. And oh, this is gonna be spicy here. Okay. God damn it. The keys are always sticking inside. I need a new one. I need just a new keyboard in general. We're gonna cut his ears off. So now let's. Oh yeah, those ears are rough. Wow. Why did they look so bad? Oh my god. Okay. So now we gotta kind of mesh him to his face. Ew. Ew, he's got moldy ears. Okay. And then we're just gonna flip the other ear. So we're just gonna have two ears now. There we go. Now we got two ears. That made it a lot easier. Wow. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier, but now we can actually edit and warp these individually, which makes it a lot easier to actually get them kind of symmetrical onto the head. Let's try to grab Joe Biden's forehead now. Alright, that looks pretty okay for now. I can deal with that, I suppose. Let's we'll take his skull. That means that we're gonna have to get rid of Trump's hair, which is so unfortunate, you know. That's okay though. It's okay. Why is Trump's face so blurry? That's kind of bothering. Let's take a look at that. Yeah. Let's get the ears on. Wow. Jesus Christ, what have I done? Okay. So we're gonna just try to blend this in first by getting rid of some of that. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna start kind of coloring over, trying to blend this in. Oh wow. So we're getting there. Oh, I've been on the wrong eraser the whole time? That's so weird, no wonder. I thought we couldn't erase that. Okay, this makes a little more sense. No! What have I done? Okay, I'm gonna take a break real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back here, and we're gonna continue on with I really don't know what to call this. I asked my girlfriend what she thought of this, and she ended up saying that Joe Trump is a better name, so we might go with Joe Trump. I just don't know how to feel about it, to be honest. It's a little disturbing. I don't know what to say, but we're gonna get back into it, I guess. Alright, so Trump has like a little bit of pink around the eyes and nose, and I'm sure that he has a little bit of pink around the eyebrows. See, I want to say that that's showing up, but I can, yeah, it's kind of showing up, to be honest. And His forehead's looking a little too bright. He's got like way too much light on the forehead. So we're gonna darken up probably a little bit of that orange right there. Yeah, we're getting rid of that. That looks pretty good. I can't even lie. Actually, this might work out. I kind of like this, if I'm being honest. It's kind of funny. It's actually kind of creepy how this like tones out the forehead. Like, I really like some of these colors. We should just make Donald Trump an ape. Okay. Oh yeah, that's weird. I forgot that. It's kind of cool how the affinity photo works. You're actually able to erase certain sections. You're actually able to see what you'll be erasing, which is super cool and actually really beneficial, especially whenever you're got big projects like this. You know, because of course this is a big project. Dude, I'm tired of these keys. I'm gonna pull this out real quick. Alright, so my key should be working again. Alright, so alright, cool. This looks great, you guys. I'm really proud of this. Alright, so we're going to... I realized the problem now, that the white became more of like a pink, because the orange here is actually bleeding into the hair, and that's not what we want, so... Alright, so now we're going to try to find Joe Biden putting his thumb up, and I like right here. This is a good one. This seems to be working very well. I struggled with the selected mask on Photoshop. For some odd reason, it just did not work right. I would literally have to use like apps on my phone because they literally worked better. Like, I had so much trouble always cropping out myself, which I can't lie, this struggles sometimes, but it's not near as bad as Photoshop's, to be honest. Oh no. Okay, well, first we gotta get this match. Gotta get the suit to match, actually. Yeah, that one seems to work pretty good. That's pretty close, actually. Cool. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, so now we gotta find the setting. Alright, so we'll try to do this one here as well. And hopefully we'll be able to get something out of that. Biden appears to have removed Trump's Diet Coke button from Oval Office. Let's just search this real quick. Hold on. He just had a Diet Coke button? Dude. I wonder if people actually make these. Hold on one second. People seen this and they seen the opportunity and they were like, yes, I'm going to profit off of this. Everything's Redbubble. That's hilarious. How? We have the new president in office. Fucking Joe Trump. Okay. So, God, we gotta get rid of these blocky ass hands. Ew. Ew. I don't like how his hand has, like, rolls. That's so fucking... That's so gross. Ew. Okay, let's try to chop off those rolls. Now we just gotta smoothen my boy out here. Cool. Alright, so now whenever we do this... Yeah! There we go. Awesome. Now we got that perfect head. Wow, that took a while. We got that perfect head. Okay, so now we just need an orange jacket. There we go. I still feel like it has ears, like, especially this ear. For some reason, this ear is just not wanting to blend well for me. Okay, so we finally got done with it, you guys. We created. We need to export this. All right, you guys. So this is the new president of the United States. His name is. He's got two names, okay? This is Donald Biden, or otherwise known as Joe Trump. So, yeah, he's given that good thumbs up. You know, you can really believe in him. He, I just don't know how I feel about it, you guys. This is so rough. I'm sorry. That's all I gotta say. We went from this man and this man to this man. So it actually took probably a little over an hour and a half to make this. I'm gonna try to do the best I can as far as editing this goes, but yeah. This is the president of the United States of America. Yeah, so But yeah, I really hope that you guys somehow, in some way, enjoyed this. It was very interesting and fun to make, actually, really fun. I always enjoy doing Affinity Photo or Photoshop stuff, but if you guys did enjoy it, then I can definitely do more like this. This was actually a lot of fun. It would be really cool to stream something like this, but I don't have the internet for it, and I would enjoy to do something like that, but I don't think my internet can hold up. But yeah, any comments or anything, any suggestions that you guys have, I would love to hear in the comments below. And maybe we can make some more just mixes of different people and try to blend them and make them beautiful. And yeah, so hopefully this resolved the left and the right, and hopefully they are so disturbed now that they have to meet in the middle and just agree to whatever Donald Biden says. And yeah, this has been a video, so I appreciate you guys watching this, and I do enjoy doing this, so this is a little different for what I typically do, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, that's been it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.